Spotify Music is one of the largest platforms that allows you to search for and listen to various types of music. As of the second quarter of 2021, Spotify had 172 million paying premium subscribers worldwide, 99.9% of which are not aware that they can earn money doing the thing they love, listening to music. Now imagine you could earn over $1,000 per month simply by listening to music on Spotify, regardless of where you are in the world. India, Nigeria, the Philippines, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, the United Kingdom, or the United States. Would you take advantage of such a fantastic opportunity? Want more information regarding this? Keep watching because we will discuss all of it in this video. The website that we are referring to allows you to earn incomes of $160, $260, or even large sums of $900 and above by simply listening to music on the premium music streaming app. You don't even need many followers to earn. You don't even need to refer anyone else to this platform. You also don't need any money to get started on this because it's completely free. All you need is a phone or a computer to begin making money on this platform. First off, you will need to download the app and create a Spotify account if you don't already have one. You can download the app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Ensure you download the correct app that has over 30 million reviews. To create your free account, you can simply go to the website and open Spotify.com, or click on the Sign Up for Free link that appears within the app. You can choose to sign up with your Facebook account or with your email address. You can then give your account profile a username, which can be whatever you want, and then enter your gender and date of birth. Confirm that you are not a robot and click Sign Up for Spotify. You can then log in on the app and see your profile updated there when you complete the registration process. The first thing you notice is that there is so much music to listen to on Spotify, and it's divided into so many different categories. You can even create your own playlist on the app that compiles all of your favorite music in one place. All you have to do is click on where it says Create Playlist, and you will be able to create a brand new playlist that can generate a lot of passive income, which we will get to in just a moment. The website pays you to be a music curator and even pays you for merely listening to music. You can become a music curator by simply listening to music and then creating a playlist from it. Now that you've arranged all your music into one playlist, you can submit them to this website and earn regular money through submission. You will be rewarded for every song playlist you submit. The more playlists you submit and the more submissions you make, the more money you can earn on their website. Each submission counts towards your monthly submissions, and when the playlist submissions for a month exceed 200, you can begin to earn rewards. Essentially, if you make fewer than 200 submissions, you will not be paid. The website pays in pounds sterling, and the website's earnings model says that you can earn £100 for playlist submissions between 200 and 499, £200 for 500 to 999 playlists submitted, £400 for 1,000 to 2,499 playlists, and £800 for 2,500 playlists and above. In other words, you can make up to $135 for the minimum number of playlists and $1,108 for the highest number of playlists possible, with over 2,500 playlists, and you can repeat this process over and over again. The website is https://www.musicgateway.com/curator-forum. And it's a relatively new website that is super exciting and so beginner-friendly that anyone can use it to make money by simply listening to music. Bear in mind that the sign-up process for this website is somewhat difficult, but in this video, I'll walk you through all the forms that you need to fill out before you start making money, as well as bonus tips to ensure you are making the most money off this website every month. When you visit the website, scroll down and find the button that says Join for Free. Simply click on this button and you'll be taken to a new page that says Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submissions Application. When you scroll down the webpage, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify curator, radio presenter, music blogger, DJ, social media influencer, or do you support artists through curated music? In this video, we concentrate on Spotify and show you how to listen to different types of music, arrange them into playlists, submit them, and get paid. Let's get started by filling in the form on the page. Scroll down to see the entire form. The first thing to do is enter your email address in the first box, the curator name, which is your complete name, in the second box, and your country in the third box. From there, you can begin to focus your application on curating music from Spotify, since it's the quickest way to get started making money. First, by picking Spotify from the options given in the next box /question. The question following that requires you to link a Spotify playlist, blog, or YouTube channel, but you can leave that blank for now, as I'll teach you how to enter the link from your Spotify in just a moment. After that, the next question asks, how many submissions do you receive roughly every week? Remember, to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions. Your answer to this question will also depend on how much time you have, how hard you can work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. But make sure the number you enter here adds up to at least 200 playlists per month to get paid. If you want to make this a full-time job, I'd recommend doing 1,000 playlists so you can start making a lot of money on this website. From there, you can select what genre you accept or what different kinds of music categories you accept. You have the option to choose from among pop, dance/EDM, hip-hop/R&B, rock, heavy or pop punk, alternative rock, indie bands, adult contemporary, jazz, soul, and others. You can pick more than one category, and the more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website. You can even add any other category you accept that was not included in this list. For the next question, follow Music Gateway on Instagram? You can pick no. Finally, if there's anything more you'd like to say or want them to know, you can type it into the space provided for that. If not, you can just leave the space blank. And for the final question, do you want to be a continued Music Gateway member or continue as a guest? Choose Music Gateway member, and then you can enter your first and last name as well as your country. The website accepts curators from all over the world, as you can see from the Dropbox that appears there. Then, you enter your chosen username and password and click the Submit button. That essentially covers all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application. When your application is approved by the website, you can begin listening to music, creating playlists, and submitting your playlist to earn money. To do this, go back to your Spotify app where you can discover different kinds of music and combine them into different playlists to submit for money. On the app, look out for the different music categories that are relevant to the Music Gateway. If we're to use pop music, for instance, click the search button on your Spotify app and type in pop. The result will display music that is relevant to the pop category. If you click on See All, you will be able to see all of the pop music, and there will be hundreds of thousands of songs to choose from. All you'll need to do then is create a whole new playlist. To do this, you click on the Create Playlist button and give your playlist a name, such as Pop Genre. Then you can begin to add selected music from the search results for pop and add them to the new playlist. One of the coolest Spotify features is that if you scroll down below, it will automatically recommend other different songs based on the other songs in your playlist. You can then just click the Add button to have them be a part of your new playlist automatically. To access your newly created playlist, simply click on the Your Library button, and the new playlist should be one of the first playlists you see. To make 200 of these playlists will take a considerable amount of time, admittedly, but the reward for this hard work is encouraging. The next thing you need to know is how to pull a link from your playlist. When you click on your playlist on your Spotify app, you should see a 3-dot icon before the list of songs in your playlist. When you click on that icon, a Dropbox appears with a list of things you can do with your playlist, including delete, add to profile, share, and so on. If you select Share, a second Dropbox appears with the options to copy link to the playlist or embed playlist. Select the option to copy the link, and the link will be added to your clipboard. Your clipboard can hold up to 4 playlists, all of which can be submitted on the website, and you can be paid for them. Leave a comment down below if you found this video informative and if this website is one you will be using to earn passive income online. We'll see you in our next video where we share yet another online money-making opportunity.